Top 10 Computer Repair in Rochester. 1. Learn All Things Digital, 5, 256 reviews, East Avenue. 2. Simple Tech Innovations, 535 reviews, Emerson Street. 3. Call the Computer Wizard, 528 reviews, Ledgerock LN. 4. Geek On the Go, 58 reviews, Voorhees Avenue. 5. Crossroads IT LLC, 4.9 189 reviews, Exchange Boulevard No. 1010. 6. Computer Works Pro Incorporated, 4.954 reviews, Ridge Road. 7. RX Computers of Rochester, 4.865 reviews, Columbus Avenue No. 1. 8. G7 Computers, 4.7853 reviews, Stid Hill Rd. 9. Jeremiah's Computer Store and Repairs LLC, 4.7308 reviews, Lake Avenue. 10. BBS Tech LLC, 4.736 reviews, West Ridge Road No. 6.